What's going on, everybody? I right now am headed to the bank with a book bag on with a lot of change in it. This book bag is legit super heavy just because of all the change that's in it. I'm gonna go put it in that little coin machine and it's gonna be like clank, 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 you have this much moonies. I also have some cash with me that I need to put in the bank, my savings. I'm trying to be really good with money. So far it's working out pretty well. I have a car and a motorcycle and I'm not struggling for anything, so I guess that's good. So I got a question. Do you guys save your change? I know a lot of people will like throw it in their car, they'll just keep it in their car for a while and like use it when they can until it stacks up so much that they have to do something else with it. But do you guys actually collect it and take it to a bank, or at least consolidate it all and use it for anything? Because you would be surprised how fast change adds up. If every time you make a purchase with cash, you keep your change, and like at the end of the month, if you're a huge spender, or like the end of every 6 months or a year, you just take it all and take it to the bank, you would be really surprised how much money you've saved. At least there was a cop at that intersection this time, so no one's like trying to just run through it, because I mean, everyone has to save 2 seconds on their lives and 15% on car insurance by switching to Geico. I can't tell you how many times I've almost been hit at that intersection. Like, it's insane. Like, every other time I go through there, somebody's running it. It's just stupid. This isn't even a big town. Like, there's not that many people. It's just, I don't know. I hate it. Ooh, a butterfly. But anyways, what do you guys do with your money? Your saved money? Do you guys like actually save money, or do you put it somewhere? I know a lot of people my age kind of struggle with that, and a lot of them it's not their fault because their bills and stuff, they're just not making enough to really save anything. So I mean, I understand that, but if you can actually save money, are you saving it or are you putting it somewhere? I have to wave the cop and be friendly so they know I'm not some bad guy and have to come arrest me. I try to keep a lot of my money in savings, especially since a lot of it's going to be going bye-bye soon when I have to start paying for these college loans. Because right now I'm getting like 0% interest on them while I'm in school. But that's not going to last when I'm out of school, so I'm going to start paying them off right away. But I'm trying to put it in my savings so I can accrue a little bit of interest, make a little bit of money. But man, college, that is a whole nother moto vlogo that I need to be doing later. If anyone's interested, probably not. College sucks. But in other news, since I talk about this like every other video, it has rained like every day. Sometimes it's like I'll wake up in the morning and it'll be, wow, something just hit my helmet. I'll wake up and it'll be pouring rain. And like an hour later, there's no clouds in the sky and it's sunny. But I've been at work, so I haven't really been able to do anything with that. But like every chance I have to ride, it's raining, which really sucks. Like last night and this morning it was raining, but it kind of dried up for now. It said it's supposed to rain again here in like about 2 hours, which I fully expected to do that, so. But it's whatever, I'll be busy. I'm gonna take my car and I'm gonna go swimsuit shopping. I had to hit a quick hundo on the dash. Just for funsies, you know, just for funsies. Oh, what's up, dude? I would totally high-five you, bro, but you drive a Prius, so I'd rather not. There's 2 ways to get to the bank. One way is the shorter way. One way is the fun way. Decisions. Although, there's a lot of cops out in Cherokee right now for speeding. They're doing some, like, Operation Southern something. I don't know. They're cracking down on speeding in, like, a lot of states right now. It's just for a week, though. It's like this week. I looked it up, and, like, last year they said they gave out however many speeding citations. And if you do the math and you calculate each of those for the bare minimum speeding fine, They made $1.8 million in that 1 week just off of speeding tickets. And that's like the bare minimum. And they're like, oh, we're doing it for safety purposes. And I'm like, you made $1.8 million in a week. Are you sure you're doing it for the safety and not the money? Hashtag big government. I'm on to you, Dinkelberg. But anyway, guys, if you'd like to leave a comment and let me know what you guys do with your money, if you do just save it or if you're saving for something. Because, like, I know I'd like to continue saving my money so I can pay off my student loans and get a decent car in a few years. Because, I mean, I'm sure I'm going to run my little Ford Mustang into the ground. Live, laugh, love, dream. Oh, you're a Lyft driver. I didn't know Priuses were allowed to Lyft drive. I thought they were too lame. I'm just jealous because my car can't be a Lyft driver. Is that a Maserati? Oh, yes, it is. Oh, sweet car. I still have to take my bike up to this shop up here to get its maintenance done, but I don't know a good time because it's been raining so often, and I can't do it right now. Where's this bank at? I feel like I'm gonna pass it. Forgot where it's at. I use a tiny little credit union because that's just the type of guy I am. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go make this deposit and I shall be right back. Well, that was a little weird. I broke the coin machine. I had to go get a cashier to fix it. I don't know what that was about. But I got a good bit of money in change. I don't know how long it's been since I last did it, but I got $151 just in change. My economics teacher was always like, save your change. I know it's not much, but just gather it and at the end of the year, turn it all into the bank. And I was like, I mean, okay. It feels good to save money. I know a lot of people just don't do that or have a hard time with it, but it's a good practice. Especially if you're really bad at saving money, try that. For real. Take all your change and just save it. Don't spend it, don't hide it, don't put it anywhere except for like one area. Like I have a little jar in my room and I always take my change in and put it in that jar. And it adds up, it really does. Man, there's so many police out today. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. This feels like a really short video, but I don't know. All my videos feel short and they end up being like 10 minutes. Sorry about that. I know a lot of people really don't like long moto vlogs, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this and I'll end it here. So I'll catch you guys next time, and always remember, ride safe and save your money. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I do. I put it on the internet.